In this video we will consider three scenarios. A mass is hung from the ceiling in the first scenario, from a ceiling using a scale. So the scale is connected to the ceiling like that, somewhere with using a hook, and then the other side of the scale is connected to a mass of 11 kg. So we have to find what is the reading in the scale. In the second one, it's the same scale, but it is, instead of it being connected to a ceiling, now it is connected to a wall. And since it is connected to a wall, there is a table here, and then there is a frictionless pulley. This pulley is very it's necessary so that there is no friction when the cord is passed through the table like that. And then the mass again is hung here like that, 11 kg, same 11 kg mass, but this time it is hung like that from a ceiling. The supporting force that is needed to hang the ceiling, hang the mass, is given by the wall in this case, whereas in the first case it was given by the ceiling, whatever the ceiling. Yeah. Now, so here also we have to find what is the reading of the scale. Then in the third scenario, it is pretty similar to the second one, but the wall is being replaced, and instead of the wall here, the wall was somewhere there, but the wall is now replaced, and there is another pulley and another mass of 11 kg is hung there. So that mass is now providing the necessary supporting force to hang this mass of 11 kg like the previous one. So again, in this scenario, in this case, we have to find what will be the reading of the scale. So let's start with the first one. We can see that this will be just the weight force, because this is providing the weight force here downwards. So the force will be F or W, whatever, will be mg. So that will be 11 times 9.8. So that's 107.8 Newton, I guess, but approximately 108 Newton, let's say. So that will be the reading of the scale. In the second one, again, the force that is in this direction, that is mg, because that will be the weight force. So it is passed through a pulley. The force that the wall has to provide to compensate this weight force will be again mg. So the reading of the scale will be again mg, 11 times 9.8, same as before. It will be approximately 108 Newton. This time the supporting force is provided by the wall. Now let's come to the last one, the third one. Here the wall is replaced, and the supporting force is provided by this mass that is hung here. But the reading of the scale will still correspond to the weight force for this mass that is hung here like before. So again, this one is giving mg weight force downwards, and the scale will correspond to this weight force. So again, the scale reading will be like before, mg. This part will not come in the scale reading, because this is just providing the supporting force that was provided previously by the wall in the second scenario, and in the first scenario it was provided by the ceiling. So the scale reading will still be mg. That will be 11 times 9.8 like before. So same reading, 108 Newton approximately.